I wanna love, 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 every day and every night, every night. Every day and every night, every night.
Hi guys, hi from Jamaica guys. We're in Jamaica guys. This is my daddy guys and Abigail guys and my little baby. Don't hide. That's by Eric. We're gonna find the road, go get some patties and some stuff. The rain was falling and it was so heavy but nice. Don't do that. You know what I love about my country? Where people are share. And guys, these are my babies. They are happy to see us. Of course, we're happy to see them as well. Ooh. You love a song, Bunny? If you remember, guys, when we came in December, my hubby planted these. And you see, may I eat from it now. King Shriek. You know why? Because it was planted with a heart of love. Better you practice that.
Come on, live up to you know why me call you some.
Can't nothing nice, huh? Okay guys, so we're now in the town and as you can see I purchased a box of patties. This is 100% tasty patties, but you know the lady, she ordered them and then they come to her store. But yes, they are 100% authentic Jamaican tasty beef patty. Because I purchased so many patties, the lady was like, "You sure you're not having a party?" I said, "Yes, I'm having a party for some little foreign bikini." But yes, different from the 30 that I'd purchased, I went ahead and purchased patties so we can have in the meantime. And I've said it before in a few of my Jamaican videos, I'm done with tasty patties, but I don't know. This patty, it's extremely delicious. I'm kind of done with juicy beef in our way. And I've said it before in a few of my Jamaican videos, I'm done with tasty patties, but I don't know. This patty, it's extremely delicious. I'm kind of done with juicy beef in our way. Oh, me a sweat so?
No, I may alone I sweat. Me
For real?
Yeah, you know something. Yes, I
Oh, go on the line, baby. They can catch out. Come on. Oh, come right here. Yeah. Guys, me never know if daddy give them money, so they are spending their money. Yeah, she buying cheers. $16.50. $7.50. Alright, give me that's on time too. already. What the figure? Yes, I do. Guess what, guys? I had to turn back because, not necessarily turn back, but when we're driving past, I noticed that there's a stall with some fresh scallion. So I'm like, oh, why don't I just buy for my money? So I'm heading towards this stall where we can get some better scallions and some carrots too and stuff. Wow, whose stall is this? Oh, different nice. Want this? Are you seeing that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna want some carrots.
Half one of this?
Yeah, man. Beautiful scallions, man. How much fees?
150.
Yes, man. I'm gonna cook with it hard.
Okay.
Yes, look what's out pretty, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Something nice. One carrot. Ooh, they're so pretty. We have tomato home. Yes, man. What's your mango?
Yeah, 250 and 3.
Okay. Alright.
One time with the scallion too?
No, me get some time. Me have
Okay,
time.
much carrot?
Put it in my bag. Then nice.
Okay.
Decline nice. That good. That good. Make a start from here. Good man, eh?
Much cabbage you want?
Yeah, man, thanks.
What for that? 350.
350. Give me one more. That good.
Yeah, cool.
Give me, let me see them too. Give me pound good.
Want the red one there with you?
Yes, please. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, man. You look so nice, man. Oh, so pretty. May the most I bless you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Beautiful. Pumpkin pretty too. Much your pumpkin?
150 a pound.
Give me one. Give me a pound. Come here, a piece home anyway. Lovely. Pretty pumpkin. All right. Guys, I'm tired. Talk about the hills and the valleys. Yeah. Oh, she protect our babies them. So cute.
Brown one.
I know. They're pretty. Thank you, Jerry. Wow, breeze nothing nice so. Wow. Yes, guys. The Jamaican coolings. Yeah.
This one.
I just want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's one that you like, remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and with all that has been said and done, may you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.